and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the May-June Shots of Life kit. So our Shots of Life comes out every other month. It's geared towards our pocket page scrapbookers, but of course you can use it on 12x12s. You can use it in your traveler's notebooks, your planners, anything. It's just a lot of fun product. The Shots of Life also coordinates with our flavors of the month. So if you want more product to match, check out the flavors of the month as well as the 3 add-ons. Or if you're getting that, then you can add more pattern paper and embellishments to those kits by picking up the Shots of Life. So let's dig in and take a closer look at all of this great product that you're going to receive this month. We're going to start by looking at our cut apart cards. So this month we're featuring all 12x12 paper. So there's a full pattern on the back, and then the front are cut aparts. So our first one is from 49th and Market. This is the Kaleidoscope Journal cards. So these are sized at 3x4. Beautiful mixed media prints. Perfect for pocket page scrapbooking, but also perfect to fussy cut and embellishment. Just beautiful designs. The back is a diagonal blue stripe. You also have a full branding strip on that one. From Cartabella Bloom, we have this paper that's a cut apart, and it has all different sizes. So there are some 3x4s. There's also some of these longer ones and little thin ones that you could cut apart. Just gorgeous. Love all the beautiful flowers and the colors. And the back is this gorgeous floral bouquet. This paper is the multi-journaling cards. Then from Pink Paisley, we have Joyful Notes. This is the 3x4 cut aparts. Love, again, the beautiful colors in this collection. Even though the style is a little bit different from these two collections, the colors are similar, so some of these pieces will go in well together. The back is this gorgeous plum floral print, another full branding strip of florals on that blue. From Simple Stories, Pack Your Bags, we have the journal elements. So these are always a lot of fun. Plenty of spaces to do all of your journaling and your projects. Lots of different sizes. I love the longer ones like this. Those are always a lot of fun. The back is this awesome print with hearts and then the little arrows. From Bella Boulevard, we have Just Because, and this is another one that's fun. We have some 4x6, we have some 3x4s, and then we have some smaller ones, as you know, skinny ones that are like tags, and the 2x2s here. The back is this fun polka dot with all of the different colors that you're going to see in this collection. From Echo Park, Summer Vibes. Love this one. It has a retro 70s kind of feel from the colors and even some of the fonts. Just staying cool, so that's very 70s. Love that. Vacay vibes. The back is Palm Beach with the little waves. From Pink Fresh, Picture Perfect, we have this one that has a long strip here. We have some square ones. Long skinny ones. We have tags, lots of different sizes. I love the stitched florals in this collection. The back is a floral on blue. And then from Simple Stories, Summer Snapshots, we have the 3x4 cut aparts. Love the beautiful colors in this collection as well. I love all of these have a lot of different colors in the collection, so you can really do a lot of different things. And then these kind of look like Polaroids, so that's a lot of fun. The back has the little seagulls on the minty green. So one more look at your full patterns. And then all of your cut aparts. Lots and lots to play with there. Now for the fun embellishment part. You're going to get a little bit of embellishments for each one of these collections. This is some of my favorite part. So for the 49th and Market Kaleidoscope collection, you're going to get half a pack of the Bubbles and Bobbles. So this is like their little enamel dots. Super cute. I love that they're small. You have all of the different patterns and the different colors and the circles and the hearts. We also have a little bit bigger circle that has words this time and some icons. So I love their little baubles. For the Cartabella Bloom collection, you're going to get a third a pack of the ephemera. So all of the embellishments in your kits will vary, but this is just a good representation of what's there. So we have some word ones, I have some banners, little tags, super cute. For the pink paisley joyful notes, you're going to get a roll of washi tape. So the one I received was the gold foiled hearts on pink. And then for the simple stories, pack your bags, you're going to get half a pack of the enamel dots. And you can see those match several of the collections, so you can kind of mix and match all of this. For the Bella Boulevard, just because, you're going to get a fourth a pack of the ephemera words, and Bella Boulevard packs their ephemera packs. So a fourth of a pack is like a normal package from another manufacturer. So all of this here is for the Bella Boulevard. Super cute. So there was lots of little word labels, little banners. There's a tab here, a little banner here, and some leaves. So lots of options with that. For the Echo Park Summer Vibes, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets from the sticker book. So this is the one I got, a little alphabet and some word labels. From the Picture Perfect collection from Pink Fresh, you're going to get half a pack of the puffy stickers. So again, all of this will vary, but these are the ones I got. Super cute. And for Simple Stories, the Summer Snapshot collection, you're going to get 2 of the sticker sheets out of the sticker book. So these are the 2 that I got. It was kind of the little flare one, and then a few words and word labels. So that is a look at the embellishment part. So one more look at your Shots of Life kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store. I'll have reveal videos here at the end, so you can click on through there and check out everything that's included in this month's kits. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.